Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video is about a brand named Chubbies. So it's another clothing brand. So before we get started, please do like, subscribe, share, comment, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. So how this brand started: after graduation, four friends pursued 9 to 5 jobs until 2011 when they understood they want to share their love for shorts with the world. They wanted their clothes to be associated with weekends and chilling out. All of them were somehow involved in the garment industry before. Castillo worked in the Gap and Levi's. Nancy was an analyst in online sales. Montgomery worked with IGD Ventures, and their experience helped guys a lot. Founders knew not only how to produce clothes but how to promote it as well. The website was launched in September, showing quite good sales result. Founders started preparing for the spring season, so they emailed colleagues, fraternity president, and head of the other campus social groups, introducing shorts to them. Shorts with a fresh and unique design that helps to express a person's individuality were welcomed warmly by college guys. If you walk around any big college campus today, you will see at least a few students chilling in Chubbies. Since Chubbies is constantly developing and improving, founders raised $16 million of investments. Additional sizing options and items are offered. Beyond shorts, the company is producing underwear, swim trunks, shirts, jackets, and hoodies. Over 40 employees work in Chubbies. It has a brick and mortar retail store in San Francisco. Creating a great product is not enough. You have to make people want to buy it, and Chubbies is great at it. There are a few reasons for the company's success: building the brand, fearless promotion, high quality marketing, attention to details, Instagram pages. If you have but don't know what to start with to make it real, you can always consult with our team. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you like the video, and stay tuned for another video. Thank you.